It's easy to activate your card on the AMEX app. If you already have the app, simply log in and then tap the account icon at the bottom right of your home screen. And then activate and manage cards. Now tap Activate and add card to your account. You'll now need to enter your new card details. You can either scan your card automatically or enter the details manually. To scan your card, tap Scan Card. Hold your mobile between you and the card as if you're taking a picture of it. And your card details will be automatically scanned to your phone. You'll just have to enter your 4-digit card ID found above the long number of your card here. Or, if you don't want to scan your card, you can enter all your details manually. Tap Continue and you're good to go. Card activation made simple with the AMEX app. Don't live life without it.